The second thing I want to do is to introduce you to the PSIRU website. We've redesigned it to try and make it even more useful for PSI and its affiliates, and we've got on it information that consists of our publications, but also the information about countries and about companies that we think and hope will be useful to you. If you go to the website and then click on the tab marked publications, what you see is a list of not just recent PSIRU reports, but all the reports we've done over the years for PSI and others, with the most recent one at the top. So it's an easy way of finding any of our publications on any subject. You'll also see there a series of briefs, which is a new form of publication we've introduced to try and provide shorter, more up-to-date, quick information about various things, and the most important category there is the Cuts Watch briefs, which I'll talk about in a moment. If you go to the countries brief, the countries page, the countries category, sorry, on the PSIRU website, you'll see the information on individual countries, and we've tried there again to make a range of information available to you. Apart from the map, which is obvious, we've got below the map in each case a set of data about each country that's taken live from online official sources like the IMF and the World Health Organization and the World Bank. And it gives you up-to-date information on the economy, the GDP per capita, that is, to show you how well the economy is doing. Also figures of what percentage of the economy is being used for public spending, what percentage is being raised in tax to fund this public spending, and what life expectancy is as an indicator of how good the health services are. So all that information's there instantly on the screen, and as I say, it's live and up to date. In the middle we've got other information. There's a list of all the PSI affiliates, for example, with contacts. We're also building lists of the major companies in each country so that you can link to information about those. And we've also got links to the development bank pages on each country, so you can see what projects, the latest projects in each country, from the Asian Development Bank and from the World Bank and from the International Finance Corporation, the World Bank's own private finance agency. And in addition to that, you've got links to, again, to PSIRU reports about the country. So we hope and think that'll be a useful reference page for a lot of useful data on countries. If you then click on the tab about companies, it shows you a list of major multinationals. We're building these up, but we're aiming to cover about 80 to 100 multinationals altogether. And if you go to those pages, what you'll get is a simple summary about the company, but also basic financial information that we hope will be particularly useful, because it includes, if we've got it, information about employees and information about profits and information about pay, where the company gives it as well. So you can see at a glance, if you like, the profitability of the company and how the profit per employee compares with the pay per employee. We've also got links to the company's own website, so you can go directly there to get latest reports and news items. We hope to be showing latest news about the companies and again links to PSIRU profiles on those companies. So again, we hope that'll be a useful source of information for you. And finally, we've got a new section called Cuts Watch, which is a big project we're doing for PSI, and it aims to monitor the impact of austerity and cuts in countries around the world, and to maintain data and publish reports on that. And as you've already heard, the information on what's happening in Asia is a mixture of good and bad news, which makes it a lot better than the corresponding information on Europe, for example, or North America. So that's the range of information that the website offers, and we hope you'll use it. We hope you'll send us inquiries, comments, criticisms about how you find it and how it could be improved.